In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Api-ms-win-downlevel-Kernel32-l1-1-0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser and simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you'll find a download link. So know the system type of your Windows. Go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it. Here you'll find the system type, so simply click the download link for your system type and simply install the Microsoft Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Then we can also perform the system file checker scan, so go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, click Run as Administrator option on the right pane, and type sfc space / scan now. sfc space / scan now, hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window and then restart. And then also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click the button right here. Updating your Windows comes with the necessary files that your machine needs, so simply update your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.